Next is personal values and opinions. So, di ba, in our life, we have a different perspectives pagdating naman sa buhay natin, election, ay politics, and etc. So, di ba, personal opinion natin is nag-matter sa ating sarili. Next is gender and sexual orientation. So, in this century naman, di ba, na meron ng LGBTQ, QIA+. So, kana siya nga po ang organization ba kama? Organization is we really need to accept na nandiyan na sila at, di ba? Nandiyan na sila and also, we should not discriminate them, but in fact, dapat i-accept natin sila wholeheartedly and equally. Next is physical and mental abilities. So, dito is that, meron namang some of people is yung meron mga sakit na needs of assistance. And some of people naman is normal lang and yes, normally living. Next is economic and social status. So we really have a different status in life naman. So that is why kahit mahirap ka or mayaman, we need to treat our each other individuals equally. So next, last is personal experiences and struggles. So, di ba, bawat individual is may different struggles na ating hinaharap every day. So, that challenges of self-behavior everyone na maging bad tayo sa isa't isa or show them disrespectful. Wala naman. So, this time, I am going to discuss the nice and respect. So, first is human dignity. So, dapat, we need to have a dignity to each other. Hindi naman yung, you must, pakiulawan niyo ang lain tao just to be ka ng konsya na mapakatawa lang niyo ang lain. So, at least, dito is really to have a respect. Next is emotional needs. So, be individual needs and be sad, happy. So, that's the therapy that we have. So, next is desire for belonging. So, desire for belonging. Yes, Lester. Any idea? Desire for belonging.
Those